In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can check your Walmart credit card balance. You want to go to Walmart Rewards mc.ca. The link will be in the description of this video. Now on this website, you're going to select new customer to register and then enter your card number. On this page, you're going to complete your personal information and then select submit. Now on this page, you're going to set your username and the password for your account. Now on this page, they're going to tell you that they found contact information for you. So you can choose to send code to your mobile phone or your email address, whichever is on file. So I'm going to select send code to my Yahoo address. Once you receive the code, enter it and then select submit. Select sign in to continue. So now you're going to enter your username and password. Now once you're logged in, you will see your balance displayed on the home screen. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.